This is the first time I see this shoe in hand, the first colorway I have from Devin Booker. These are the book chapter ones in the black and gold colorway. I'm gonna review these shoes because I wanted to see these, and this is the first pair I have in hand. Will I keep this in the collection? We'll see. This shoe looks very familiar because of some details on the shoe that reminds me a lot to some other shoes, but we're gonna go into that a little later. On today's video, guys, I'm gonna review the shoe, talk a little bit about the quality, some aspect on the shoe. Also, I'm gonna show you how this look and fit and everything that you want to know. But before we go into that, please let me ask you to go and hit the thumbs up if you're liking the content. Also go and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Activate that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video with it every single day, guys. So go follow me on my Instagram and on TikTok as Jason J Kicks. And now let's begin this video. This one right here is the book chapter 1 in the black and gold colorway. I was very curious to see these shoe in hand, and that's why yesterday you saw the video and you can see that I have the same clothes on, because I'm recording this video after the video from yesterday, just immediately after that one. That's why. It doesn't matter. You're here for the shoes anyway. So this is how the shoe look, and I'm gonna go a little into the detail. First time seeing them in hand, I haven't even take the time to make an analysis on the shoe, on the details. We're gonna go real time talking about the shoe. But first, let's go with the box. The box that is similar, very similar to the same box that we have on the Jordan 1 Low 85 cut. The box is also as slim as it is on the 85 cut Jordan 1 Low box, and the lettering and everything feels the same and everything, just that this time we don't have the lettering in red. We have the lettering in some type of a brown color. I was expecting a box that matched the shoe a little bit more, but who cares? We ain't gonna wear the box anyway. On the side, we have book in orange, chapter 1 in brown, the Nike logo right here, this mini swoosh. And right here we have, I think this is Devin Booker's signature. I don't know, probably that's what it is. Gotta be, I mean. But this is the shoe on my personal size right there. We're gonna see how these shoes fit in. Inside we have regular tissue paper, nothing special inside of the box. Well, probably these right here. This was from the store. I don't know, maybe this is from the store. So nothing special inside of the shoe, regular tissue paper like I told you. And the shoe with no extra laces. I was trying to get the first colorway of this silhouette, but I took an L because a lot of people went for those. Probably because it was the first official release of the shoe. We have seen Devin Booker wearing some nice colorways, I'm going to say, that hasn't even released yet, like the Shadow Backboard ones. I want to see those in person, but I decided that this was going to be my first pair of the book chapter 1 because I like the colorway a lot. I mean, black and gold. These should have these DMP vibe on it that I think it's pretty nice. And you can see right here what I mean when I said that these should have DMP vibes. Take a look at the DMP 6s and take a look at both of these. It's probably because it's the same colorway, at least very close, because now that I see both of these shoes side by side, this is not like a gold color. This is like a bronze color that we have on the outline of the Nike check and in some other areas of the shoes as well, but they have the vibe. You know what I'm talking about? They have the vibe of the DMP colorway. But real talk, for me, is just a beautiful colorway on a very familiar silhouette. And what I mean by that, this one being the first silhouette of Devin Booker, this shoe don't look like a brand new shoe because, to be honest, these should look a lot like a Jordan 1 low, a Nike Dunk low, a Air Force 1 low. It's just like they all mixed together to create this shoe right here. And that's not something bad. I mean, you know, Jordan 1 low is one of my favorite shoes all the time. So yeah, these shoes have the vibe. I like it. So when it comes to this specific colorway, this specific model of the shoe, we have a predominantly black shoe with some rose gold or bronze color on the outline of the Nike Shake, also on the eyelid right here, this one at the top, and on the tone tag that we have Book in that same color. And on the back of the tongue, we have this thing right here. This is probably his logo. I don't know that much about him when it comes to his signature things. I know he's a hell of a player, by the way, man, like hell of a player for real. Kind of disrespected. Him as a player, I think he's disrespected. He deserves more credit. By the way, right here on the back, we have chapter 1 in that less colored gold color. And right here we have 91. Something that calls my attention is this detail right here on the pull tab. You can see all these layers. This looks like a bug. I think that's the purpose of this design right here, because the name of the shoe is Book Chapter 1. So that's a pretty dope touch for real. I like that. The design is pretty nice. And this detail right here, yeah, I like it. I like it. I'm very happy with the shoe. I'm very happy with the shoe. Then we have these pony hair material on the ankle area going all through the eyelets of the shoe, and on the tongue as well. We have that pony hair material. Is this real pony hair? I don't know. I'm not a material expert, but I can say that feels really good. Feels better than the Jordan 1, the black and gray that has the pony hair. I'm not talking about the panda ones. I'm talking about the pair that released a few years ago. You know what I'm talking about, right? Have you seen those? Let me know in the comment section. But the pony hair on this one feels better than the pony hair on those Jordan 1s. But feels good. Now we have this nubuck material on the shoe right here and on the toe. Feels similar, very similar to the same nubuck that we have on the Jordan 6 infrared. Pretty sure you know about that one. Okay, I ain't gonna talk that much about it, but the material, this nubuck feels like that. Feels good. I'm not a big fan of nubuck, but who cares? Who cares at this point? The shoe looks good. Right here on the side panel, we have a mesh material. Take a look at that. That's mesh material right here. And on the heel of the shoe, again, we have nubuck, probably Durabuck. For the midsole of the shoe, we have a black midsole with, take a look at the design on the midsole. This is the pattern that the Book Chapter 1s are gonna come with, if this is the first time you're looking at the shoe. And we have a industrial blue outsole. That right there is the industrial blue color. I have another shoe that has this same color. It was a Nike Dunk Low, industrial blue. And the color right here is the same, I'm going to say. So I'm calling this blue on the outsole industrial blue. The design of the outsole is something like, you know, it's not bad. It's not a special, but yeah, it is what it is. Right here, what do we have right here? We have Air Zoom right here. So these shoes comes with the Zoom technology on it. That's why they feel so good on feet, because they feels good on feet. I gotta say it. This will be probably one of the best basketball shoes, because this is mainly a basketball shoe, but it was designed to be wear casually, like a pair of Jordan 1. This one feels better than the Jordan 1, I gotta say. And they fit me the same. And that's crazy, because I was not expecting that because of the shape of the toe. And that is not as wide as it is on the Jordan 1, just compared with the Jordan 1. I'm not saying this is bulky or anything like that, but they fit me really good. I went through the size 12, as you saw in the intro of the video. But I think they look good. For casual wearing, they really look good. I haven't tested this one on court yet, but I'm pretty sure you're going to get a lot of videos on YouTube. Maybe not a lot, but you're going to get some videos on YouTube doing some on-court performance. But the shoe feels good, and for my experience, I can tell that this will be a really good shoe to hop in. And I play mostly in Kobe shoes, and this one it's a low cut, just like most of the Kobe shoes. So yeah, will be a really good shoe to hoop in, but also a really good shoe to go anywhere else. A casual shoe. That's something that I think is missing in today's basketball shoes. I don't see no one wearing any pair of LeBrons outside of the LeBron 20, some colorways, normally on street. Most of the new basketball shoes are exclusively to play basketball in. That's why I don't see those shoes transcending in time like Michael Jordan shoes. Those shoes were exclusively for playing basketball, but nowadays we wear those shoes normally on street to go to parties, to wedding, any type of occasion. And that's something that I feel like can happen with this. It's really good. Inspiration, of course, come from a lot of shoes like Nike Dunk, the Jordan 1s, and some of the shoes like the Air Force 1 as well. I think looks really, really solid. You're going to look good with this one. If you like low cut shoe, I recommend you to give it a try of this one just like I did. And I gotta say, I'm happy with the shoe. I'm happy with the shoe. Retail price on this one is $140, and the shoe that we're getting, I think the shoe is good for that price. That's my opinion only. Let me know how you feel about it. Guys, if I have to rank these shoes on a scale of 1 to 10, I will give the book chapter 1 as a silhouette, I will give them a 8.5 out of 10. And this colorway, that's a 9 right there for me. That's a 9 right there for me. Pretty nice. I like it. Also, I like that hologram iridescent Nike swoosh. I like it. Looks pretty solid. But that's my opinion. And now it's time for you to let me know how you feel about the first Devin Booker signature shoe. I think it's solid. I think it's a solid one. Congratulations, Devin Booker, for your first signature shoe. Pretty beautiful shoe, the silhouette. It's very promising. It's very promising. Let's see what Nike and Devin Booker is going to do with this silhouette. Like I told you, I saw some good colorways on this one. The shadow backboard, if they release those, I think a lot of people are going to go for those. Those probably going to sell out. I was surprised to see this one sitting because they sold out on the sneaker shop, but we'll see, we'll see. Thank you guys for watching the video. Let me know your opinion about the shoe or whatever that you want to say. Just go to the comment section and say it. If you want to know more about me, your boy Jay Sanjay Kicks, and my content outside of YouTube, you can always follow me right here on my Instagram. It's Jay Sanjay Kicks. I'm always uploading videos, picture, sneaker information like shock drop, early access, all the upcoming releases. You're going to get that right here on my Instagram, Jay Sanjay Kicks. Thank you again for watching the video, guys, and till the next one, goodbye.